Congenital limb deformity course is one of the most outstanding courses I've ever attended. Dr. Paley has taken exceptionally complex surgeries and broken them down into steps that pediatric orthopedic surgeons around the world can perform.
The live surgery is great. You get to see everything. We get to ask questions during surgery.
I've been following a lot of his techniques. This is my second visit here and I have loved everything he does. My practice revolves around what he does, what has he invented.
I learned from his papers, his lectures, but it's a real pleasure to be here to see live surgery, to improve my skills so I can give the best treatment for my patients.
I never had the opportunity to meet Elizarov, but I wanted to meet the next best thing after Elizarov, which is Paley.
It's a big opportunity to come to learn face-to-face from Dr. Paley about his techniques and to improve my skills.
So it's very important for my life, for my career, talking about difficult situations for every surgeon.
It's more like a conference because there are lots of very intelligent surgeons here.
Everyone should participate to this course because it's important to know this technique if you manage these very, very complex and difficult cases.
And I thank Dr. Paley for taking us around his hospital.
It's my first time here and sure it's not the last time I come here.
I've been fortunate to attend this course a number of times, and I can tell you each time I come I learn something new, but things get better and better.